Okay, the first thing we're going to do is create a new project by clicking on create. And we're going to give our character a script telling it that if we press left, he will move left. And if we press right, he will move right. And to do that, we're going to start by going into the Events tab. We're going to drag out when green flag is clicked. Just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it a bit better. When the green flag is clicked, we're going to go into Control, grab a forever block, and then we're going to grab an if-then block. Notice there's a little hexagon-shaped hole here. So we're going to go to the Sensing tab and drag out key space pressed. We're going to put that into that little hole there. Then we're going to go up to Motion and drag out a Move 10 Steps block. And we're not going to use the space key at this stage, so we're actually going to change that to, we'll make it the left arrow. So forever, if the left arrow is pressed, he should move 10 steps. Now when I do that, when I click the green flag, notice it's highlighted, which means it's going to work. When I press left, he actually moves right, because I have not yet told him which way to move. So I'm going to go into the point and direction. I'm going to put that above the move 10 steps block. Now I can tell it which direction to move in. So if I click on this little number here, notice that there's all these different directions. So I want him to move towards the left, which is -90. So now when I press left, he should move left. He will go upside down. I'll show you how to fix that in a sec. So once you've got this rule working, we're going to make the exact same thing for the right arrow. So I'm going to duplicate this whole script by right-clicking on the top block and clicking duplicate. So now I have two of the same script. But for the second script, I'm actually going to change the left arrow to the right arrow, so that when I press right, he will move right, but I need to tell him which direction to face. So I'm going to change the -90 to 90. Click the green flag so that this also starts working. Now when I press right, he will move right, and when I press left, he will move left. And that's what we want. Now the last thing you need to do is just quickly fix the upside down issue. So if we click on this little guy down here, direction, you will notice three options. At the moment he's set to this option. We want to click on just this option here, which is left and right. So when he moves left, he now does not go upside down.